Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing your data and reducing immediate load. Back up to cloud or local storage so you can roll back if needed. Once done, free at least 15% of internal storage by uninstalling or offloading large apps and media because low space slows the system. Then update Android and device firmware, which patches performance bugs, and reboot to flush transient processes and caches. Make sure battery is above 50% or plug-in to avoid interruptions. Next, tackle background activity and system overhead to reclaim responsiveness. You should restrict background activity for 3 to 5 memory-heavy apps and use battery optimization for social and streaming apps because they often wake the device. Disable or uninstall unused pre-installed apps. If needed, use ADB to remove non-removable packages, but only after backing up. Then open developer options and reduce animations to 1/2 or off, and set a conservative background process limit to prevent excessive swapping and jank during multitasking. To finish, clear the system cache or perform a factory reset only when issues persist after optimizations, because reset removes misconfigurations but costs time. Install a lightweight launcher and choose apps compiled for your CPU architecture to reduce overhead. Once configured, monitor performance for a day and make incremental changes. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate apps, capture a logcat for diagnostic clues, and restore your backup or perform a factory reset as the last resort. This resolves most deep software faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.